Okay, I'm going to record some video of the snowstorm today. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning on October 29th. So let's take a look and see how things look. Here's the front door. I'm going to go downstairs now. See here how much snow piled up overnight. This is on top of about 8 inches we got as of. Wow, that was not fun. Slid down the last couple steps, but I'm okay. Hopefully the camera lens is not hurt. So that's why I fell down. Let's see. So I'd say we got another at least 4 or 5 inches overnight. That's a bush, or juniper shrub actually. Tree. Snow, 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 snow. You walk to my pickup. You can't see it, but there's a sidewalk here. Here's an edge. See how much snow is piled up there. God, that's at least 8-9 inches right there. And then that's parking lot. I'm trying to get out there. Feeling around for another step. I think it's right here. Yeah. Here's another step. So, man, that's at least a foot deep. Luckily my boots are insulated. It's actually not too cold. I mean, it's below freezing obviously, but it's pretty humid, so it doesn't feel too bad. Let's see. Parking lot's here someplace. I'm going to try and be careful. Hopefully there's enough light you can see my footsteps, my track in the snow all the way back up there. Lots of snow on the trees. There's my apartment, second floor. More snow, more snow. Let's go see how my truck looks. Maybe take a look at this street here. I don't have to go anywhere today, luckily. Oops, snow plow. Very happy to see him. Right, here's my pickup. As you can see, well, this is new snow, but see my hand only goes up about that deep. When we get winter weather like this, my truck is rear-wheel drive, so I fill the truck bed with snow and ice to weigh it down. You can see here my hand's about 4 feet off the ground. When this isn't full of snow, it's about that high. So if I had to drive somewhere, which I don't today luckily, but the rear axle is nice and weighed down. So this is, if I did have to go somewhere, this is what I'd have to clean off of my truck to be able to make it around. You can see here actually how big a layer of snow is on top of the cab. My footprints, a big size 12 wide feet. Let me go down to the street and then I will end this video, go inside and get some breakfast. Snow, snow. Let's see. This is the driveway to my complex. You can see, let's see, where's in the viewfinder? You can see a fire hydrant. Give you some scale.